Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm going to rent a skylift because I have many birch trees leaning towards electrical line in my yard that needs to get cut down. So that's why I need the skylift. So the rent for the skylift is around 100 euros per day. So that's the price here in Finland for that. Here in Finland we have currently the spring is coming, so almost all the snow have melted gone now, so soon the spring works, farming works starts.
And here I am arriving to my work site. It was really bad road conditions due to the spring, now really wet and muddy. It was mainly gravel roads, so yeah, but let's try this skylift. It's driven by electricity and hydraulic system, and here I am trying to get it set up. This skylift has a horizontal balance system. It has pressure sensors in the foots, so you have to park it nice and even, and it has also a water drop that you can check, so you have parked it horizontally. Yes, and here you have the controls. My opinion was that the lift was really slow to move, so it took some time, but in this video I will put the video clips a little bit faster sometime. Not here, but yeah, it was a little bit tricky to get started with this lift, but all in all it was a good lift. But in this day or 2 days it was really windy, almost storm, so I was really afraid when I was in the high spots that the whole lift was blowing away, but it didn't do that, and I didn't fall down either, so still going strong was cleaning all the branches right away with the tractor, so we got the road cleared. Some trees I could probably cut down like whole length, but it was also smaller trees that we wanted to spare at the garden, so it was best to get them chopped little by little down. So here you can see how shaky and windy it is to be up in the skylift. So Yeah, and I had also the old garden fencing that I had to watch out for so I didn't damage it with some tree branch. Man, it's pretty high here up. Yeah, we got really much firewood from this gardening project, so I will be standing, chopping and splitting wood the whole spring in my free time, I think. But free firewood, that's nice. I am heating my own house with firewood, so that's nice to have. Yeah, and of course this happened. A branch got stuck in a nearby tree. But I got it loose. A few video backwards on my channel, there you can check out when I was changing some seals on that small forest crane that you see now. Yeah, and some birch top we had to pull with the tractor with a rope that you see here. So we did spare the electric line. We didn't damage anything, but it was close sometimes. But so I am done now. Looks like chaos, but yeah. So here we have the line that goes, and also there you can see it. So this was a big project, and but yes, now it's time to go with the skylift back. So I love my Ford Transit. It's so handy to have, and I can pull everything with it what I want. And one thing was a little bit tricky with this setup. The Skylift brakes, they wanted always to engage when I was trying to reverse. So I got almost stuck in my own yard when I was trying to reverse. So just go forward with these, so then you don't get any problem. But it was good that it had brakes. I was trying the brakes when I was driving fast on the road here, so they worked really good. So then you are sparing your own brakes in the car. Yes. Yeah, but I got the job done with this lift. I will rent it for sure another time if I need. And yeah, here I will end this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below. Have a nice day. Goodbye.